Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update regarding to disrupted SMSs and OTPs failed. What I am going to say is one day after Troy announced the messages will have header and who are the initiator of the message as the structure of the messages. After the next day itself, some distractions occurred at sending SMSs on banking sector. So today we are going to see about not getting OTPs. So a host of services and transactions such as net banking, credit card payments, railway ticket bookings, e-commerce sites, other authentication and these all are disrupted on March 8th as SMSs and OTPs failed to arrive after Telecom implementing a new set of regulations for commercial text messages. So friends, here this is the new thing that Troy announced on March 7th. So friends, out of 1 billion average daily commercial SMSs delivers around 40% traffic was disrupted till Monday evening. Among top banking and public sector banks, failure rate was around 25%, friends. So, going forward, 2018 guidelines are which were issued in 2018. Telecoms must verify every SMS content with a registered text before delivering it. The blockchain-based solution deployed by telecom operator checks the sender ID called the header and the content of every commercial SMS originating from a registered source. SMS from unregistered sender IDs are simply blocked. So friends, this is the main advantage when anyone sending SMSs to the customer which having certain header and content only will allow by blockchain technology. So this is what Troy announcing to everyone to register such a blockchain technology. That is not only Tanla platforms, any blockchain enabled product will have to focus on its sending SMSs. So already Tanla platforms having Torblog about this only, largest commercial communication as a platform service. So next one is what they discussed means next one Troy suspend norms. So Troy on March 9th suspended the newly implemented norms for commercial texts. It's only suspended for commercial text messages for 1 week only, following major disruption in SMS and OTP deliveries for banking, payments and other transactions. So it's a temporary suspension now would give commercial entities sending out messages and OTPs to customers. So friends, the move to suspend the norms would enable the principal entities to principal entities to register the template of SMS so that no inconvenience is faced by customer. Troy Regulatory Authority, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, which is Troy, said in the statement. So friends, this is what I am saying. These companies like Route and FL India and Tanla, these are the companies which will get benefit among with this service, friends. And going further, next thing is so this distraction will blame on banking side. That's not an issue. And next thing is what here compiling with the regulations. Uday Reddy, Chairman and CEO of Tanla Platforms, lauded Troy's move to allow enterprise and telemarketers more time to comply with the regulations. So they given 1 week time. That means after 1 week they have to register any one of the platform like Torblog, distributed ledger technology to empower users and block SMS calls and messages and enable enterprises to build trust and faith with the end users in the commercial communication domain. So friends, I am going to say what is it is very good opportunity for who are not entered into Tanla also at 750, below 750 levels whenever market falls. So Tanla has onboarded more than 34,000 enterprises and on their DLT platform, and 70% of A2P person application to person messaging traffic in India. So friends, see this. This is a very good news that 70% of application to person messaging traffic in India done with Tanla platforms, and topping more than 1 billion interactions in a single day. So this is very important that we have to notice, and we have to see great revenue for revenue generation coming forward days. So friends, I am very happy to share this to you friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel for more updates friends. Thank you.